we're visiting my daughter's apartment again. It's cold outside, like 27 below here. Look at the vacuum that's here. Right next to, looks like a dishwasher. Anyway, it's a Dyson vacuum. It says animal on it. DC-25. Okay, let's pull it out here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cold start it here. We're gonna plug it in and we're gonna see if it fires up. That's in where. Looks like a few pieces busted here. That's not even standing properly. Oh, there you go. We're gonna use the car plugs here. Plug it in here. That looks like the brush. Something's grinding in there. Let's see if there's any suction here. Now, if I lift this up, that should shut off. Okay, now it's just a vacuum. See if I can... Oh, the nozzle's caught here to get it off. I just want to check and see if there's suction in this thing. That's hard to do when it's so cold out. I can't disconnect it. Well, I guess we'll see if there's suction just in, oh, where is it now? Oh, in there. This is suction from the motor in that one. Let's have a look at this here, see what... I'm going to have to bring it inside to see why they actually threw it out. Maybe it's the motor that's not... working so good. Okay, I'm gonna start up and see if there's suction in there. There's snow in there. So there is suction at the power bar. At the brush bar, there is suction. See the snow? Yeah, I can empty this right in the trash.